Rodney, what are you doing? Who are you yelling at? The vacuum? Rodney. Rodney, where's your belly? Is that your belly? Where's your mouth? Rodney, where's your mouth? You don't want to show Mama your mouth. Where's your mouth? Okay. You got serious business to tend to. Yeah? You look like Chris Farley doing the Van by the River guy. Yeah. Gosh, you sure are a silly guy. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Rodney, where's your mouth? Rodney. Where's your mouth? No, that's your belly. Yeah, belly. Where's your mouth? Okay, Mama will stop asking about your mouth. I'll let you finish. Are you jumping? Jump? Jump? Jump. Ooh, you lifted off. Rodney, can you say ball? No, don't want to say ball either. Can you say hot, hot, hot? Okay.